Welcome back, guys. I'm back, and today we're going to be working on my garage. Now, pull this out. So, I know you've seen all these fancy influencers out here with like these really nice hexagonal lights up top and all of that. Well, I found a nice set of hexagonal lights with a nice border for $132 on Amazon. I think it was like $150 like shipped and delivered. So yeah, I'll put the actual product itself up here somewhere. But we're gonna try and assemble this thing, and we're gonna see if they're just as good as some of the thousands and thousands of dollars kits that are out there that YouTubers use. So, like I said, $150 shipped to my door from Amazon, and it's a 14 hexagon pattern with a full border. So we're gonna try and put that all right here. I know that this is gonna be a little bit of a problem, but we're gonna see if it's gonna work. And if you're curious where this is coming from, it's coming from Guangdong, Shenzhen, 51 or 518,000 Along Tuchang Shandong Bailon. I am horrible with Chinese. I'm probably screwing up every single one of those pronunciations, but I think it's funny. So we're gonna crack this son of a bitch open and we're gonna get going. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna sorry for the quick edit. I had to, enable the face track because I actually really like using it, and it's always focused on my face. So if I, do something stupid, it will follow me instead of, walking away. But oh, they're broken. I should just probably end the video now. But if you're curious, by the way, come on, no. See, this is why I like this feature, but I also hate it. But if you're curious, just a nice Kershaw to get the day going, because, Kershaw is the ultimate user's knife. If it breaks, you send it back, they give you a new one. Problem solved. But, yeah. So, we're just going to see how this all goes. Oh, that was the directions. Okay. So I can already tell you that these are actually pretty nice. Like, I mean, they feel cheap. You can definitely tell they feel cheap, but for $150 so far, these actually work or look really good. Like, here, these are the corners on them. And they actually they actually look really nice, and they have the connector built into the corners themselves. So yeah, they look really nice. As for the light themselves, yeah, it's all plug and play, and they have again, they're all plastic, but it appears to be like a nicer LED strip inside. So not bad so far. So I think the way I'm going to attack this is I'm going to assemble these on the ground and get all the hexagons done, I think, and then I'll put them up top as I go. But really nice packaging, has the drywall anchors, the connectors themselves, and a shit ton of zip ties. Shit, it's in my face. So all your zip ties, your connectors, and your hardware. I mean, so far so good, right? All right, I'm gonna pause the recording here, and I'm going to take everything out of the box and line it up as I'm going to assemble it. So give me a minute, and we'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see here, maybe I pushed a little far forward, but we'll fix that right now, just because I really love using this camera. So as you can see, everything in front here is everything that comes in the box. It is pretty, again, like everything here looks as it should. There's nothing broken, nothing crazy, and it looks really easy to assemble. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I might attack the border first, because that seems like the biggest pain in the butt so far. And everything's here, surprisingly. Everything's right here, ready to go. And yeah, the instructions are what they are. Like, there's really nothing too crazy here. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna start assembling and see where I get, because there's really nothing to it but to do it. So, oh, here goes nothing. So I think at this point I might put it into another time lapse and just start going. Actually, I think I might start on the hexagons first, because they're hexagons. Like, you know what needs to be done with them. And yeah, that's what I think is going to happen. All right. So here goes nothing. So. Okay, so because I need to make this abundantly clear, because I nearly had a heart attack. So you're always going to end up with one extra, apparently, just in case one of the panels breaks. And these cutoff corners right here, where it doesn't have the 3-point, the 2-point corner there. You will have one short, and there's a specific reason for that, because the one corner needs to have the plug go into it. So I nearly had a heart attack because I thought I screwed this up somewhere, or I didn't have enough pieces. So keep that in mind. They actually did it right. So what I will note, or what I will say is, all right, there we go. Okay, so very important. These have little tabs on them. And the only way to do this right, is I'm going to put this down, is take your part, take your thumb, press on the soft plastic up top, and kind of rock and lock it in like an AK magazine. That is the easiest way to do it. If you just try and shove it in there, you're going to break the tab off, because I've already done it twice. But that was by my own stupidity. They're actually strong enough to handle up to whatever you need them to do. And yeah, that is all the hexagons done. And now my big issue is, how the hell am I going to put them up there, considering got drawer openers right there? I'm hoping that I can disconnect one of these and just sneak it around and go from there. But until that point, I'm going to start working on the border, or I should probably start trying to hang this up. Actually, I need a friend in order to do that, because these are a little soft and a little bendy. So unless you have a 9-foot tall ladder, these are not going up with one person unless you tear them apart, rebuild them up on the ceiling, which never goes well. So yeah, this is going to be fun. I think I actually might have to take them apart and put them up. So yeah, we're gonna pause the recording for a little bit and see if I can call in a favor. All right. Okay, so I don't have any help to do this. I think the easiest way I'm going to move forward is if I take it apart in sections and rebuild it as I'm screwing it into the wall. So I'm gonna do, is it tracking me still? Yes, okay, you're tracking me. I have all the screws and everything right here. What I'm going to do is, put it up there, screw, then put in the anchor and screw it back in. It couldn't be hard, right? Right? I hope it's not that hard because this seems like this is going to suck more than anything. Oh, and by the way, Milwaukee for the win. Don't care what anyone says. I've literally ran over this drill with my truck and still works. So screw you, default. But yeah. All right, I think I'm gonna try and go for a time lapse here and get this going. And if this doesn't end up square, well, I don't have any help, and I am too much of a impatient man to wait for somebody else. Okay, as all of you can see, it's up. It is up, and I know the acoustics are shit in here, but yeah, this was 3.5 hours of dumbassery and some help from a very good friend of mine in order to get all of this up. And yeah, it makes a huge difference because this was put up so I can work in here, and this is what it used to be like when I was in here. There's one, and there's two. That's how bright it used to be in here. Now, Amazon for the win. Now, I did run into some difficulties up here with this, so there is a missing piece, but other than that, this went in as easy as you'd think it would go in. The one thing is you just got to get your spacing right, in which you're going to spend a decent amount of time on a tape measure to line everything up. So, but yeah, now we're all said and done. And they look great. And I hope this is recording okay because I know that this is up here, I'm down here. I'm still working on the whole lighting issue, but yeah, we're good. Thank all y'all for stopping by, and hopefully see you next week. All right, adios, guys. Remember how I said it's going to be a miracle if this fucking thing starts? What?
I like your 2022 election.
Oh, I love this fucking thing so much. Now that is over and done with. Sorry for the mood lighting, but I just wanted to show you. Dude, this looks insane. Like, having the lights up, all finished, all done, with everything back in the garage, it looks so good. And I can't thank my friends enough for coming over and helping me take care of this, because it was kind of a tall order. But yeah, there's my lovely girls doing dumb things. But nah, now that these new lights are in, oh shit, my door just opened. Huh, that's strange. Now that this is all done, I can actually see all the dents and dings in my truck, which makes me want to do body work. I really don't want to do body work on this thing, but yeah, this is it, all said and done. And thank all y'all very much. I love trying to share my journey with all y'all, and it means a lot that you are coming to watch. And if you like and subscribe, come back for more, because this is just the beginning of my stupidity. All right, y'all have a good night. Peace.